In this video, I'm all alone, but we're getting a lot done. So here is kind of where we're at. Oh, I gotta pause my music for copyright.
Flow so cold, but I switch flow like seasons. They say, why you next? I told them I got my reasons. Once I get that check, just know that shit ain't leaving. No sir, that check ain't leaving. Flow so cold, but I switch flow like seasons. I told them I'm next, they told me they ain't believe it. Once I get that check, just know that shit ain't leaving. No sir, that check ain't leaving. Know that I'm hot, they just won't admit it. I've been on this grind and it's been for a minute. I finished the play like I finished the sentence. They keep with the talk, I can't be offended. Too focused on trying to go finish the mission. They hating together, still no competition. I stay with the gang and we all independent. I switch up my flow but can't switch gangs. You can all drop your shit, they can drop their shit, it all sound the same. Better just try your best, you ain't catching up when I'm switching lanes. And I'm still with the gang, they won't ever change. You got no ambition, you're playing it safe. Don't get mad at me cause I can't hit the brake. I've been in a hurry, I told them don't worry. We been down too long, we ain't got time to wait. I told them I do it, they laughed in my face. Ain't think we could do it, they thought we were fake. Flow so cold but I switch flow like seasons. They say, why you next? I told them I got my reasons. Once I get that check, just know that shit ain't leaving. No sir, that check ain't leaving. Flow so cold, but I switch flow like seasons. I told them I'm next, they told me they ain't believe it. Once I get that check, just know that shit ain't leaving. No sir, that check ain't leaving. Shit you got from fraud. They say you out here grinding like we owe you an applause. Man, hold up for a sec, we can give you a pause. Wait, hold up, I ain't into all that waste of time. Man, you can't compete with me, you better get in line. Cause I'ma take what's mine, the whole gang shine.
Okay, so this is where we're at. We've got engine bays cut. I just finished putting this in. This is just some reinforcement tubing because I cut away the inside just so I could lean the radiator forward without it getting hit right there, and then I just put a little plate to help it stay a little solid still, and then I put a brace on the tension rod brackets. So now that the front end is nice and solid, kind of done with doing anything else. Now it's just sanding it all down, getting ready for painting it. Now in the inside, interior's pretty much in. I just got to put this stuff back in. I have to bolt the seat in, and then just kind of like make the final adjustments with the carpet with seats in it. And then start putting the rest of the interior in. But before I put all that interior in back here, I'm finishing this harness bar, which I'm doing currently. So I'm going to finish welding up this harness bar and move on to the next thing.
I be counting up the digits for a minute. Once I get it, I'ma spin it, get it back, I feel replenished. Get another, never finished. I can never reach a limit. Need to check them back, get it, need to check the wax.
So now I'm gonna put in the interior panels for right here. This is one of them. I drew a small pilot hole right here, and then I'm gonna take this. This is a 2 1/4 inch hole saw, and I'm just gonna run it right through that pilot hole, and then just mark a line down the panel and just run the bar right into it so I can keep the interior panels.
No need to flag my finesse. Better pay me for the set.
Just like that. Boom. And now, with that like that, all we're going to do is cut a quick line from here down and just pop it in. I know this is going to take a while, but I'm using a razor blade to make the incision to open it up just to get the bar through it. I know it's going to take a while, but it's going to give the smallest opening because I don't want like a big gap between it using anything else. So razor blade might end up taking like 2 of these. So as I was saying about it being a small line, if I'd used like a saw or anything, this gap would have been huge, but because I used the razor blade, it's like almost not even there. So let's put it in.
Whenever these chests go around, whenever these chests go around, she even hold me down. Say you don't know the kid, but you gon' know me now. You can give it all you got, you ain't gon' hold me down. They tryna take my spot. Whenever these chests go around, whenever these chests go around, she finna hold me down. Say you don't know me, buy the cash and show me. Yeah, we on our way up, so you better pay up, cause you niggas owe me. Why you gang so phony? Stealing shit from the old me. If you looking for your bit, man, you know where she at, me, she stay below me. All these niggas tryna clone me, but you never gonna be me. Y'all seen it with the hits, man, I'm all up in your face, but you niggas can't see me. I'm just playing with the keys, I don't even need the one, just know I'm like Stevie. Already next up, don't even switch up when you see me on your TV. Think I'm doing the most, yeah. Never brag, never boast, yeah. I'm just spitting out facts, stay on the tech, do the shit for my folks, yeah. Man, I grind on the daily, they still thinking this shit was a joke, yeah. Man, just keep taking notes, already won, not even done, give a fuck about your vote. If you confused, then act like you know. Keep with the lip, then we all in your throat. FRO bitch, don't keep shit on the low. Stay with the cars, but we never gon' fold. Come with the heat, leave you niggas all froze. Sending out shots, but we don't even tow. Overlapping the stop, but we staying on go. Man, they keep acting like they don't know. Say you don't know the kid,